Hello and welcome. This is Vakila here. Here's a lick that I've prepared for you. It goes. Pretty cool. So you can put the tempo that you want. It's actually a fast lick. You can play it faster than what I was playing here. Maybe 120, 130. There, it sounds very good. And here's the explanation of this lick. I'm holding a G here on the 12th fret, string number 3, and another G using my pinky on the 15th fret. So that's an octave there, and the flat of my finger there is muting the second string. So I'm picking there, then I slide one tone up. So now I come back here, I play this, I put my finger on fret number 12 and I go. So that's on string number 3 and then string number 1 and then string number 2 on the 15th fret and back to string number 2 on the 13th fret. So get that lick there. It goes. Okay, so the sliding. Now the other slide comes from I just move from G there. I move one tone up, one tone up there. Then I go back to G. Okay, so that's a F there. Then I repeat that lick. So it goes on like this. Okay, so that's the lick there. So as far as the left hand is concerned, it's okay there. On the right hand, I just want you to notice that I am doing hybrid picking. Instead of playing with my fingers like this, I now hold my pick using the finger and the thumb, and this finger here, finger number 2, picks string number 1. So it's like this. I place them like this. Okay, so I pick using those. So that's the picking there that you have to notice there. So that's hybrid picking. It's hybrid because it takes from there's picking with a plectrum and finger picking. So it's a hybrid between plectrum and finger picking. So that's why it's called hybrid picking. So you so that's hybrid picking for you, and you have to place your fingers like that, like that. So okay, and that's it there. You pull them up like that. You need to practice this one, and you need to measure the amount of pick that you're exposing there to make sure that it doesn't produce a bad sound. You hear that? If I put too much, I might even miss the string when I go back. I go back to the wrong string. So you must make sure the pick that you're exposing is just enough. Now the pick will be used on the little lick there. I'm using a pick now. Okay, so that's the lick there. So make sure you expose in just enough lick, just enough plectrum to not confuse you or to not go into another a different string that you don't want to play, like I demonstrated there. And make sure this finger, the distance between this distance here between this finger and that second finger doesn't change when you go down again. Okay, so that's it. That's the right hand technique as far as I'm concerned there. And I want to thank you very much for this lick, and please practice it. By the way, you can actually, the groove that you can use. So there you go. So the groove is actually up here. So you go D up there, and you move backwards, which is you're on your G again. So you go. So if I'm gonna put it. Okay, so that's your groove there. You can record that groove and play this lick over that groove. So here is the lick with a groove on it. So that's the lick there on the groove. I just want to thank you very much. I'll meet you in the next riff. My name is Vukile. Please subscribe.